So hi friends, today we are going to practice prompt engineering. Okay, so I'm gonna use chat atlas. So here it is. So open that. Last time I had newest version of macOS, but I found there a lot of trouble problems like battery run too fast, and I thought that it's gonna fix it with the new updates, but that issue is not resolved. So I can just put your ID here. So that's why I resetted my laptop and again I installed this one, the old version of macOS, and that's what is giving me. When you reset it, default it's gonna give you that. So I'm using right now from yesterday and it's working quite well. I hope that new version gonna provide better you know functions, and the UI also was good, but it was not performing well. There's another issue I found is that like I want to show you that, but let's avoid for now. So I will keep Safari, keep Safari, keep Safari. Okay, done. So as you can see here, I made some bookmarks. I'm not sure I have or not. It seems like I don't have bookmarks. So okay, don't allow. I'm gonna find it. Okay, so I'm gonna open ChatGPT.com. I don't want to do it again and again, the things like that. Write the first write again plans of prompt engineering, then follow that. It feels too much. And in a chat gpt or any AI model, one problem I found that there's too much charts and we can't find that which one to go. So nowadays I'm putting it a bookmark, but even then it's not works well. So the last time we are learning about style and control. So now your turn. Choose any topic and write one teacher tone like this. So the teacher tone is how, like simple step by step like that. आज हम verb को आसान तरीके से step by step समझेंगे. Choose a topic, one teacher tone like this. So I'm gonna say that आज हम adverb को step by step और क्लियर तरीके से समझेंगे. So I'm gonna again tell you one more thing. When you write the prompt, whatever word you're writing it, make sure that it is correct. Yeah, it doesn't really change the outcome, but sometimes as a AI, in the while I was learning that, it told me that when your words are not proper, it's not match spelling error in like that, you most of time get that result, but the result quality also depend on the way you written the prompt. The clarity also matters. It's not about that what you want to say, but the clarity also. As you can see that my internet connection have some issues. So again wait. As you can see, there's a network error. So it's saying that nice, that's a great teacher tone line. Small polish make it cleaner and more natural. My line is आज हम adverb को step by step और clear तरीके से समझेंगे. Improve teacher tone small fixes. आज हम adverb को step by step और clear तरीके से समझेंगे. As you can see that we don't have any difference. As you can see, what difference we have, like the spelling we have is a little bit different. I want to show you that. As you can see that here, आज हम adverb को step by step और clear तरीके से समझेंगे. Okay, and here in improved version everything is the same, but the step by step, as you've seen that there's a dash, and that's why I told you that when you write the prompt, it doesn't matter that you're spelling how it's correct, or there's small mistake can change that your outputs. So why edit? Lower case को हिंदी post position stay lower case. Use step by step a single phrase for clarity. And that's why I'm telling you that when you write that, always make sure that you're writing right way. Even the spelling errors that I don't care about it before, now I understand that also make how the prompts are coming. Prompts can come with the same topic that you wrote, but the problem is that the quality of the whatever result they provide you, it's different that with the spelling mistake and other things. So remember and try as much as you can to make or write good prompt with a clear understanding, and always make sure the verbs and the spellings are the right. Okay. The final pun okay makes look simple. Okay, that is now perfect style sheet. You can reuse when asking the AI write lesson on your voice. So it's what is saying that. So practice. You wrote three short teaching steps adverb now, or generate three step teacher style explanation adverb in your Hindi English tone. Okay. So now let me try. So how I will do that? Like the simple way I said that. Uh, uh, okay. So adverb is the thing. So I have to say in a English tone. Okay. So teach me adverb in Hindi English, Hindi dash English. Okay. Hindi English in a simple and simple and easy way. Easy way. Step by step by step. Okay, I wrote that. you know I know that what I'm doing is not the right thing to do. I should use this tone like here, like how I written Hindi in the English words, and then telling that try to teach me in that way. But now I have wrote the prompt like teach me English in Hindi English in a simple easy way, step by step, like a teacher. Okay, like a teacher. Let's see what is gonna give result. Okay, so I should practice in that way, but I just want to figure out. Okay, it takes time. Okay, we have to wait. So as you can see, this is now perfect style sheet. So one more thing, when I write the prompt like that way, so whatever result I will get in the same way, in a English word with a Hindi sound. Okay, that's what is written, like aaj. It's English words, but when I read it's a Hindi. So whatever result I will get in that way. Okay, I will not get a English words or Hindi words. I'm gonna get in this tone, this way. All the sentences gonna write in with this way. Okay, as you can see that I have internet issue problem, and that is something I'm facing right now. So I'm using Geo SIM, and it caused some problem here. I won't lie. I'm really disappointed and frustrated about this. I'm trying to solve that. So let me reload again. Let's see if we can get that thing or not. As you can see, the net is really slow, and I really, I think that I should try with offline. That is the best option I can think of right now. The internet connection is my area is a little big issue, because like we don't have broadband, we have like air fiber, but that is really expensive compared to a mobile phone that we have. It's very expensive, so that's why I'm using my mobile phone for internet connection. But I face all day like this kind of problem, but not all the time. Like right now I'm getting this problem, and later on I'm going to resolve that, like putting airplane mode, or putting somewhere like clear space where there's a no like there's no buildings, so directly that I can use that 5G. And also I'm getting problem with the 4G. I don't know why, but after 5G came, the 4G also sucks really really bad. I stay a whole day here in the rooftop just to use the internet. So as you can see that even right now I'm not getting anything. I these things I face every single day. As you can see that again I'm saying nothing happens. So okay guys, I think I need to resolve this. It might take some time. I'm not sure even this will work or not. Let's see. I have removed that. Again, connect that. Now let's try to reload again. Okay, so I'm not getting any response. As you can see, it seems like stuck here. Okay, here it seems stuck here. Stuck. So okay, guys. Next day I will meet again. Bye for now.